Well, hello, parents. My name is Chad Gilliland, and I am in my 27th year of teaching mathematics. This is my 19th year at Richardson High School. Absolutely love it here. And I teach AP Calculus BC and also on-ramps pre-calculus. And I'm here to give you a little bit of information about AP Calculus BC. So let's pull up my syllabus here. The best way to contact me, if you need to contact me, is through email, chad.gilland@risd.org. You can also call me, but email is probably quickest. My tutoring times are in the mornings. I also tutor during lunch, and I also tutor during advisory. So I've been able to connect with a lot of students during advisory as well. And I can do other times just on request, just have your student talk to me about it. And my grades are mostly tests and Delta Math assignments and notes. And so your students watch videos and they take notes and they get a grade for just filling out the notes. And then in class, we work on the math together. And the Delta Math, they can, is usually like a day or two that I give them to work on it. And if they have to do it late, they just need to let me know that they did it late to get a late grade on that. So let's see, my website is mrgmath.com, and there is where the students go and I put the videos on Google Classroom as well, but they can go here and watch videos for the whole year if they want. I also have the note packet here for all the units, and worksheets are there as well. So this is like a one-stop shop for them. They can go there and get videos and notes, but I also post the link to the videos on my Google Classroom. So anyway, if you need to contact me, please email me, fill out the little Google form and give me some information. And I hope you have a wonderful evening.